This is a video created by CapCut, and now I will show how to make a clone effect in CapCut PC. First of all, we open CapCut. Once it's open, click on New Project, and then click on Imports. Select the videos from PC and then drag one video inside. You can see this is the first video. And then this is the second video. Then select the second video, click on Mask. Click on Horizontal Split. Then split according to your video. Now, here you can see splitting has been ready. Here you can see there is a fault between the pillows. Just scroll right here and then increase the feather. Once it's done, now this is the final result. Then cut the unwanted area. After that, click on Export. Choose the folder of your PC to export. After that, click on Export. It will start exporting. Once it's done, now you can easily share this to anyone. That's the way to create a clone effect in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.